the impression kasi na doon sa mga naririnig kong balita na parang ikaw yung hindi nagiging magandang parang influence kay Claudine. And at the same time, ka rin daw ang tumitira sa'yo. So, anong masasabi mo tungkol sa ganun?
To each his own, to each their own, to each their own. Ang makakaalam lang talaga ng mga nangyayari sa relasyon namin, it meant din.
At yung sinasabi ng tao, date ako sa career ni Lito. Talaga? Yeah. Yeah, I would detail na malas ka sa career ni Lito. Rude people.
At this point ba, masasabi mo na si Claudine talaga yung love of your life? Diba? Talaga yung pinaka-mabigas na minahal mo. Gano'n.
Oo naman. At this point in time, of course. Masasabi ko na si Madam
Bakit saan pa madamang tao mo talaga?
hindi ko alam. Siguro force of habit.
Itong birthday ko, wala akong inayan at all. Ang daming surprise. Kaya lahat. Sa lahat. Baby ko walang tulong. Tinade yung CD na nag-duet pa. Pag-duet pa siya sa akin, hindi ko maalam. Wow. Tapos, that's recipe po kayo yun. Yeah. Ayun, tip naman. Trip lang. If ever kapatag kayo, will it be a garden wedding, a wedding in Bali, a wedding outside the country? Outside the country. Bakit? Why not here? You know, Rico and I were we don't actually talk about each other. Yun lang. Siguro, Mexico. In Mexico? Yeah. Why you've been there? Kayong dalawa. Paano ako naman lang tumama sa movie? Nalawag pa ako tayo, balang araw.
Titingnan mo lang sa puso. So, nandun lang ako, nanonood ako sa set. Andun ka, he was kasama sa set. So, ako pinagmamasdan ko siya. Yeah. Siguro mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes, very after. Bigla lang napagano na ako. Parang, dito ang bobo.
Right?
Sa lahat ng babaeng hinahanap mo at hinabol mo, kaya nandyan lang pala sa ilalim ng ilong mo.
But does it helps to have a partner na kasama mo sa isang trabaho? Like sa inyo.
May advantages, may disadvantages.
Yung advantage.
Because he understands. Naiintindihan niya yung tester, yung trabaho, yung oras ng trabaho, yung what you have to do. You know, mahirap. Yun nga.
Competition. Meron ba?
Yung ha?
Competition.
No.
Para-
I want to do those and everything. Yung handle.
O, hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Like you. Because you're also very responsible, sir. So now that you're living independently, kapagay nga.
If I were to live alone like her, mangangayayat ako, wala akong pagkain. Sa bahay, pagdating sa bahay, everything, to the last details, covered niya. She can cover everything. Sobrang niyang responsible sa bahay. Like, she can even cover yung mga pagkukulang ko pagdating sa bahay. Like, ultimo kwarto ko he go to our house siguro once every 2 months. At alam niya kung ano kulang sa kwarto ko.
Wow! Talagang
Bigla na magugulat ako one day. Oh, dito, earbud ko. Photo na lang natin. Parang tayo na tayo. Wala na talaga akong earbud. Wala na tayo akong photo bud. Yung ganon.
So, tinitingnan niya lahat.
Hindi na.
Ano yung unang ganon?
See it.
He knows.
He knows.
Patala kayo. But naman was told us na if you know deep inside, your gut still tells you that you found the right person. Talagang you have to work so hard as a relationship na parang hindi na mawala yung person na yun. Alam mo na, ito na yung babae or ito na yung lalaki. For me, you look that far na.
Or maybe that's just too young, ba?
Ayun.
At this point in time tayo medyo 30-something na tayo sila
Ayun ba lang
Claudine, you'll always be perfect. In my eyes, you'll always be perfect. And I will love her unconditionally, devoted, and inspired. But for me, that is not the prerequisite for marriage. Ang takin, the prerequisite will never be the perfect person. It's always gonna be the perfect timing for you to discover within yourself that you're ready to get married. And, you know, if whoever you're with, and I'm hoping it's gonna be her,
Yeah.
talagang she's gonna be the one that you're gonna marry.
What a journey in